Good morning and welcome, folks. And today we are looking at English grammar. Lesson 2, the Shus sound. There are two main ways to spell the Shus sound, T-I-O-U-S and C-I-O-U-S. If the root word ends in shun, the ending changes into shus, which is with a T. If the root word ends with CE, the ending changes into chus, which is with NC. For example, space becomes spacious, and nutrition becomes nutritious. Here's some more examples of the Shus sound. I hope you find this video enjoyable, fun, and helpful. Please click the like button, the notification bell, and the subscribe button. And I'm Professor J, and see you in the next video.